Maybe I like you that way. Baby, I like you that way. Maybe I like you that way. Baby, I like you that way.
Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ange, aka 50 Cents UK, if you don't already know me. Thank you so much for joining me here today on my channel. Welcome my subscribers, both old and new, sending you love. Now guys, I'm so excited. This is a first impressions and unboxing of the new Kayali fragrance. So here it is here in all its glory. It's called Utopia Vanilla Coco 21. Same original Kayali packaging. And yeah, I'm just stoked to see what this one's like. I loved their last release, which was the Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. I love that one. So I'm hoping I'm gonna love this one just as much. It's got coconut in it, which is a note that I love in perfumes. It's also got bourbon vanilla. So, I mean, what's not to love? So shall we open this beauty and see what it smells like? This literally just came in the post, okay? So like, it's hot off the press. I just thought that rather than testing it out for a couple of days and then coming on and letting you know my thoughts, I thought, well, why don't I just do an unboxing, a first impressions? Obviously, first impressions don't always last, but you know, I'm hoping it's going to be good. But here's the box. The same beautiful packaging. I just love the presentation of Kayali, and this bottle again is stunning. I love the nude holographic packaging. It's so nice. And guys, I've purposely not watched any other videos about this perfume. Obviously I saw Mona's video, but I didn't want to watch any other reviews because I don't want my first impressions to be influenced by what anyone else thinks. So this is completely what I think. And yeah, so shall we give it a spray? It's so exciting. Okay, straight onto skin. You know I do skin. I'm not a paper person really. Oh wow, definitely get the coconut. I can smell florals. It's smooth, it's creamy. Yeah, the florals are quite strong. I'm not picking up the lemon. There's supposed to be lemon in the top note. I'm not really getting the lemon. I'm more so getting definitely the vanilla, definitely the coconut for sure. I'm kind of picking up something slightly fresh and slightly green. I'm not sure what that is. I can smell a little bit of musk as well. Now, if I'm 100% honest here, this is not an overly strong fragrance. Like, it's not hitting me in the face. I can definitely smell it. Don't get me wrong, I can smell it, but it's not like, to me, this is not as strong as the Sweet Diamond one. This is a little bit softer, but you know, I quite like that sometimes. You don't always want a fragrance that's in your face, if that makes sense. So I think in Mona's video, she did say that this would be really good layered with either the Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper, the Deja Vu White Flowers, and obviously the vanilla. So I've got those here. So I'm gonna spray some of the vanilla on top of where I've just sprayed this one and just see what it smells like. Ah, that has elevated these two. This is a winning combination right here. Okay, so let me just spray this again, and let me spray, I have pink pepper here, sorry, Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. Let me spray that on top and see how that is. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is lovely. That is really lovely. That combination, definitely a winner. The other one I wanted to see what this would smell like with is the Elixir. Now the Elixir is one of my favorites from Kayali, and this one is very sexy, sensual. It's more Middle Eastern smelling and I absolutely love it. So let me spray that one on top and see what that smells like. Oh, that's beautiful. So again, these two together, they smell gorgeous. Now, what I would say with this one is a little bit soft. So I would probably wear this layered with the other Kayali perfumes just to give it a bit more oomph. I'm not saying I don't like it, because I do like it. I think it smells lovely. However, it's slightly a subdued and more softer fragrance. It's very feminine. Like I said, it's creamy. The florals are definitely there. I don't pick up the lemon, but I'm not sure how much lemon there is in it or whether you're supposed to really smell the lemon. So it's not really citrusy to me at all. It's just a very soft, smooth vanilla coconut scent. Because this is a first impressions, I can't tell you how long this lasts on the skin. You know, I don't know about projection and sillage and longevity at this present point, but what I will say is that I'm looking forward to testing this out, wearing it more, and you know, seeing what else I can layer it with. I have Deja Vu White Flower here as well, so I'm going to try these two together as well and see what they're like, because these do sit very well together, these Kayali perfumes. I am a fan of Kayali as a house, so yeah, I think this one might be a grower. I'm not going to say that I'm wowed immediately. I like it. It's not a huge love, but I do like it because I actually prefer this one. I will be honest. This one is my favorite Kayali at the moment. I like this one. I'm hoping it will grow more on me. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for a soft, sweet, coconutty fragrance, give it a try. So that's it, guys. That was my first impression of the new Kayali Utopia Vanilla Coco 21 perfume. Again, the bottle is stunning, absolutely beautiful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Do you have this? Are you going to get it? What do you think? Let me know. Until next time, guys, take care.